By day, he was just another Uber driver, driving strangers across the city for a few dollars and hoping for tips. But by night, he was quietly building something that would completely change his life. In just 30 days, he made $10,000 using AI, and the craziest part is, he started with zero money and zero experience. Meet Jake, a 29-year-old Uber driver living in New York. Every day he worked 10 to 12 hours, stuck in traffic, picking up passengers, forcing a smile, and trying to stay positive. But no matter how hard he worked, it was never enough. Gas prices kept rising, bills kept stacking up, and at the end of every month, he was still broke. Every day felt the same. Wake up, drive all day, go home exhausted, and repeat. One night, after an extremely long shift, Jake checked his earnings. After 11 hours of driving, he had made just $143. He sat there in silence, staring at his phone, realizing something painful. This lifestyle was never going to make him rich. That night, lying on his bed, scrolling endlessly through his phone, he came across a video talking about making money with AI. At first, he didn't take it seriously. AI making money? That sounds fake, he thought. But something about it caught his attention. People were using simple tools like ChatGPT and Canva to create content, sell services, and earn online. For the first time in a long time, he felt curious. He told himself, "I'll just try this for 7 days. If it works, great. If not, nothing to lose." That decision changed everything. The next day, after finishing his Uber shift, instead of resting, Jake opened his laptop. He started learning how AI tools worked. He used AI to write content, generate ideas, and even design simple graphics. It wasn't perfect, but it was a start. Within just 2 days, he created a simple gig on Fiverr offering AI content creation for small businesses. Then he waited. Day 1, no orders. Day 2, nothing. Day 3, still nothing. It started to feel like a waste of time, but then, on day 5, he got his first order, $25. It wasn't a lot of money, but it meant everything. Because in that moment, Jake realized something powerful. This actually works. That small win gave him the motivation he needed. He didn't stop. He improved his gigs, learned better ways to use AI, wrote stronger content, and delivered faster. Every single day he got better. Soon, $25 turned into $100. Then $100 turned into $500. More clients started coming in. Businesses needed content, and Jake had AI helping him do the work faster than ever. He wasn't just working harder anymore, he was working smarter. By the end of week 2, Jake had already made over $2,000, and then everything changed. His gigs started ranking higher. Clients began coming back with bigger orders. Some even recommended him to others. The income kept growing, faster and faster. By day 30, Jake opened his dashboard and couldn't believe what he saw. $10,000 earned from his laptop without driving a single mile. Today, Jake still has his Uber account, but he doesn't rely on it anymore. Because the same guy who once spent his days driving strangers around the city now runs an AI-powered online business from home. And for the first time in his life, he's not chasing money anymore. He's in control. So the real question is, if he can do it starting from zero, what's stopping you?